In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Todoist with Google Calendar, a seamless way to keep your tasks and appointments in sync. Whether you're looking to better manage your time or simply streamline your productivity tools, this tutorial is for you. Let's start by heading to the Todoist website. Simply type app.todoist.com/auth/login into your browser's address bar or search for Todoist login. Once you're on the page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Todoist account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Once you've filled in your password, click on the login button to access your Todoist dashboard. It's important to remember your login credentials or use a password manager to keep track of them. Logging in takes you directly to your main task view where you can see everything you have lined up for today. Now let's move towards integrating Google Calendar with your Todoist. To begin, click on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the Todoist window. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. We are interested in the settings option, so go ahead and click on that. Within the settings menu, you'll find several tabs. Navigate to the integrations tab. This section is dedicated to various services that Todoist can sync with, including Google Calendar. Look for the integration options and find the button that says Connect Calendar. Clicking on this button will initiate the process to sync Todoist with your Google Calendar. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account or to log in if you're not already logged into Google. Make sure you select the account associated with the calendar you want to integrate. Google will ask for your permission to allow Todoist to access your calendar. It's crucial to read these permissions carefully to understand what access you're granting. Once you're comfortable, agree to the permissions. After granting permission, you'll be redirected back to Todoist, where you can configure the specifics of how Todoist integrates with Google Calendar. This includes choosing which projects you'd like to sync, how tasks appear on your calendar, and whether completed tasks should be removed from the calendar. It's worth considering how you use both Todoist and Google Calendar to decide the best configuration for you. For example, if you use Todoist primarily for work, you might choose to only sync your work-related projects to keep your personal calendar separate. Once you've customized the settings to your liking and completed the integration setup, your tasks in Todoist will begin to appear in your Google Calendar. Any changes you make to tasks in Todoist, such as adjusting due dates or completing tasks, will automatically update in Google Calendar, keeping everything in sync. Remember, it can take a few minutes for tasks to appear in your calendar the first time you set up the integration, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately. Also, if you ever wish to adjust the settings or disconnect the integration, you can do so by revisiting the Integrations tab in Todoist's settings. And that's how you connect Todoist with Google Calendar. By following these steps, you've now linked two powerful productivity tools, making it easier for you to keep track of your tasks and appointments in one unified view. As you start to use this integration, you'll likely find that managing your time becomes more intuitive and less of a hassle. Don't forget to experiment with different settings to see what works best for your workflow. And most importantly, stay consistent with updating your tasks and calendar events to make the most out of this integration. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, whether you're new to Todoist, Google Calendar, or looking to make your existing workflow even more efficient. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember, the key to productivity is finding the tools and systems that work best for your own unique needs and preferences.